A younger man met me Shabbos morning. A feierdige Chassidische Yid. And we were taking our coffee in the morning, and he looks at me and he says, I came down 5 o'clock in the morning from my room one day, and his teenage daughter is sitting on the couch, surrounded by a group of people, 5 in the morning, involved in a scene truly, truly painful from a moral perspective. And he tells me, he says, Rabbi Waiwa, you know me. I have a lot of love in my heart, but at that point I platzt. Wiffel is ashir. Ich bin euch a mensch. I platzt. I couldn't do it. I wanted to lose it. I wanted to take them all and throw them out of the house. What do? I felt a trigger. He has that space. I went to the space. I turned to the Rebbeinu Shalom. I said, Rebbeinu Shalom, give me an avard, give me a chizuk. And he said, I got it. It's a famous Maimon Chazal in Sefer Dvarim. Hashem says, bring joy to the ani, the ger, the yasam, the almana, the poor people, the foreigners, the orphans, the widows. And then v'samachta, I'll bring joy to you and your spouse and your son and your daughter. So Rashi quotes Chazal. Hashem says, Im ata mesameach es shali, ani mesameach es shalcha. If you bring joy to mine, to the poor person, to the widow, to the orphan, to the foreigner, refugee, the ger, the convert, I will bring joy to yours, you, your spouse, your children. And he says, epiphany dawned on me. Im ata mesameach es shali doesn't only mean if you bring joy to my people, to the poor Jews. Im ata mesameach es shali also means, can you bring simcha to the part of your child that belongs to me? Every child is shali. My child is not only my child. My child primarily is a piece of Hashem. He was given to me. She was given to me. Hashem says, Im ata mesameach es shali. There's a part of your child that belongs to me. It doesn't belong to you. Ani mesameach es shalcha. And then you will find simcha in the part of the child that you're connected to. And he said, I went into the room and I said, my daughter is a chelek eloka mimal mamish. She's a piece of Hashem going on a difficult journey. I smiled to her. I hugged her. I thanked her for being in the house. I thanked her for having such good friends. I thanked her for the opportunity that our home can be a place where they all enjoy life and chill out. And as the friends looked at her and they said, wow, you have such a cool father. He said, but at that moment, her trust in him intensified 10 times. Im ata mesameach es shali, harei ani mesameach es shalcha.
Watch the full class at theyeshiva.net.